Are you ready to take your automation to the next level? With Automic Saas 24.5, we're democratizing automation by improving our integration with one of the world's most popular scripting languages, Python. Python is recognized for its versatility in data science, AI, machine learning, and complex data processing. While Automic Automation has long supported Python scripting as part of its enterprise-grade orchestration, this support previously required manual configuration. By integrating Python, Automic Saas breaks down barriers and makes automation accessible to everyone, whether you're a seasoned automation expert or just getting started. With its intuitive syntax, massive community, and a universe of libraries at your fingertips, Python's seamless integration with Automic Saas empowers you to build robust automations using the skills you already possess. Automic Saas 24.5 includes 3 new job types that allow Python developers and data engineers to seamlessly integrate their code into Automic Saas. Windows Python, Unix Python, and generic Python jobs. Let's have a look at a Unix Python job. Unix Python jobs run Python scripts on Unix environments where a Unix agent is installed. The requirements are the Python libraries that the Python script will need. On the process page, we write our Python script. This is a Python example script that a data engineer could use to prepare, write, and send different data types to Google BigQuery using Pandas, PandaGBQ, and OS. The integration allows you to mix and match Python with the automation engine scripting language. For example, we can replace this hard-coded statement with an automation engine variable. It is as simple as that. If you are a Python developer or a data engineer, you can now reap the benefits of Automic Saas' powerful capabilities and integrations without having to learn a new scripting language. And if you ever need help, Automic Saas Gen AI is there to analyze your automation outcomes and provide intelligent suggestions. Reap the benefits of incorporating Python code into your automation. Leverage the power and flexibility of Python to solve complex automation challenges. Democratize automation by empowering citizen developers and Python experts to contribute to your automation initiatives. Take your automation to the next level with enhanced integration, new automation possibilities, and a richer toolset, all while maintaining security and platform independence. Ready to level up your skills for free? Broadcom Software Academy is your go-to hub for top-quality free training. Visit the Academy and start learning your way or explore something new. Our free content is just a click away.